choose the right heater for the space. Helping your customers choose the right heater starts with understanding their space and how it is going to be used. For small rooms like bedrooms or offices, in-wall fan heaters or cove heaters are the way to go. They're quiet, easy to install, and provide steady, comfortable heat. Garages, workshops, or warehouses often need more powerful solutions. In these spaces, King's unit heaters are designed to deliver strong, fast heat and can handle tougher conditions. For commercial spaces like retail stores or service counters, ceiling-mounted fan heaters or infrared is a popular choice. They distribute the heat evenly without taking up wall space. Don't forget to consider ceiling height, insulation quality, and how often the space is used. For high ceilings or poorly insulated areas, a higher wattage or multiple heaters might be required. Using King's sizing calculator and product guide to help match heater type and wattage to the space is the right choice. The right heater makes all the difference. A comfortable, well-directed customer always comes back.